Welcome to my channel, a channel with a target for knowledge and growth. On this channel, every video is crafted with care and precision. It's a step towards enlightenment. Are you ready to embark on a journey filled with knowledge, inspiration, and empowerment? Then look no further, you're at the right place. This video is crafted with care and precision to provide you with life-changing information and to provide you with valuable insights concerning vocational training in Germany. Whether you are looking to start or change, then this is a video I will encourage you to watch to the end. Are you a professional or a non-professional? Do you want to switch careers? Then you are at the right place. Whether you are just starting, vocational training can be a success, a gateway success for you, a gateway to success in Germany. So, are you struggling? I want to ask. In today's video, my first question is, are you struggling to land a business administration job in Germany? That is Wirtschaft und Verwaltung. Are you, or you want to start your career, or you want to change career as a business person? Here, I'm going to be discussing two options that you can look into when you come to vocational training in Germany. So why choose Germany? Germany is known for its robust vocational training system, and it offers unique blends of hands-on experience and academic learning. You can either be hands-on or academic learning, and it's a perfect place to develop your skills in a practical setting, which opens the doors of career opportunities. You have multitude options of career opportunities. It can be open to you. Don't forget, join our like-minded community where we have individuals who have been successful, they've integrated successfully into Germany. Get inspired by their success stories and find the support you need to thrive in your new environment. So by watching this video, you're not just helping yourself, but you're helping and you're benefiting. You're not just benefiting yourself, you are helping families and friends and communities, and you are becoming a platform of knowledge for everyone around you. Share our videos, like, comment, help spread the wealth of information to those around you. So together we can create a network of inspired, informed, and successful individuals. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that when we drop new videos, you'll be the first to know, and you can get all latest information when it comes to career options concerning vocational training in Germany. Your journey to integrating in Germany must be a success, so don't give up on your careers because only you can stop you. So going to today's video. The previous videos I've discussed 8 career paths. Still in this playlist, the business administration playlist, you can go through our channel and have a look at the different career options that we have. But this playlist we've discussed 8 career options about professions in office and secretarial professions. That is Berufe in Bureau on Secretariat. And we are talking about the first area of specialization. We have a lot of area of specialization when it comes to Wirtschaft und Verwaltung. That is business and administration. That's business administration. So today's video is still a continuation video, but I'll be discussing the 9th career path under office and secretarial professions. That is Berufe in Bureau or Secretariat. So I'll be discussing the 9th career path. And the 9th career path is the Kaufmann, Kauffrau. That is businessman, businesswoman. And so if you want to become a businessman or businesswoman in Germany, we have 13 areas of specialization where you can work, where you can go into. And I'll be discussing 2 out of the 13 areas of specialization in today's video. So see you in the other parts of the video. Watch the video to the end. Don't give up on your careers, and your success journey when it comes to vocational training in Germany must be a success. Welcome back. So in this career option, This is the ninth career option, and the first area of specialization I will be discussing is a businessman and a businesswoman in the area of digitalization management. That is digitalization management. The duration is 3 years if you want to go into this career option as a vocational training, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. Do you need certificates? Yes, apart from your general language, which I always emphasize on. You need your Hochschulreife, that's your university qualification, and your Realschulabschluss, high school leaving certificate. Any of those certificates, yes, you are accepted, or equivalent certificates. So what do you do as a business person in the area of digitalization management? They analyze and develop digital and value creation processes and get started digitally. They determine the need for IT products when it comes to a business and services. They obtain offers and procure the necessary hardware and software and introduce them into a company. They get hardware and software and introduce them into a company. So if there are no suitable standards applications when it comes to software or hardware that can help a company, they participate in the development, creation, and implementation of individual IT solutions. So you're not just a business person, you can work in the IT field as well. They analyze the respective IT systems, identify errors, they correct them, and document them. In addition, they inform and advise customers and implement measures for IT security and data protection. That is what they do. So where do they find employment? If you are a businessman or woman in the area of digitalization management, you find employment in all companies that are into almost economic sectors. All economic sectors, you find employment there. So it's 3 years. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's 3 years if you want to go into this vocational training, and you analyze, you procure IT software, hardware that a company can use. What is good for a company, that is what they do. So that is what it is about being a digitalization person, business person in the area of digitalization management in this area of vocational training. So the second area of the second career path, this is the first under the ninth career. The second career option I'll be discussing in the second video. So I will encourage you to watch the video to the end. So see you there. Welcome back. This is the second career under the ninth area of specialization, under this first area of specialization as well. So under careers in offices and secretarial studies, a business person, the second career path is a business person for audiovisual media, Kaufmann, Kauffrau für audiovisuelle Medien. So the duration is 3 years, and it's a recognized training occupation. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. Do you need certificates apart from your German language, which you must have? You must study and learn the German language so you can integrate into the system and go through these career options and choose whatever you want. So if you have your Hochschulreife, that's your university qualification certificate, or your Realschulabschluss, that's your high school leaving certificate, with any of the certificates you can go for this career path. So what do they do? Audiovisual media businessman or businesswoman, they plan and organize the use of materials and technical equipment in media production. So if you are interested in media production, filming, e.g. in film, television, or audiovisual media, they check the financing options as well. They participate in preliminary and subsequent costing of productions of films or music, and secure rights and licenses in order to market these films or movies or music via various medias and distribution channels. So when it comes to music production, you are there. When it comes to filming, you are there. In music production and distribution, they obtain information about markets and they participate in marketing concepts as well. They are into bookkeeping, financing, and they are into acquiring technical equipment when it comes to anything media. They monitor payment dates, they carry out managerial things as well. They evaluate data and prepare it for controlling processes. Any data that is going to be used for filming or for music, they evaluate it and prepare it for controlling processes. So where do they find employment? If you're a businessman or you want to become a businessman or a woman for audio visual media, then you find employment at the broadcasting station, TV stations, in film companies, and in multimedia advertising agencies. You can also find employment in publishing houses. So these are the areas you can find employment. So if you're interested in to become a business person in the area of audiovisual, then you can work in this area of fields when it comes to vocational training. And let's not forget, it's earn and learn. You learn and you earn as well. So that is just 2 career paths out of the 13 under the 9th area of specialization. As a businessman, as a businesswoman, the other career paths I'll be discussing in the next video I'll be uploading. So I will encourage you to hit the subscribe button so that when I drop these videos, you are informed and you can become a platform of information for families and friends. Don't forget, don't give up on your career. You can be successful because people have done it, and you too can be successful in Germany. So see you in my next video.